Hello again.
Hello.
How are you today?
Nej.
We will look at third-party models of people that made like the fan sculpts even before the official ones. And there have been a tsunami of proxies just the last week, I think. And I don't think this will cover them all. And if we missed it, you can comment and leave us links so we can look at it next show. Are you ready? Jarrr. And he has an advent calendar going on with like
We love that.
a deal, and they are full of surprises every day. A surprise model, and if you use this code, which he has every day, you get it for free. It's a 24-hour deal. So we can begin with this one.
Cool.
Very cool. I like the symbol on the chest.
I like the kneeling.
He is I just thought he was short. He is very much kneeling. This is super nice. I haven't got this one. It only costs 36 kronor.
That's billigt.
Very billigt. But that's only for today, that Christmas thing. He also has terrain, bits, miniatures, bases, tokens, coins, objective markers. So we'll begin with the terrain. And we can begin with maybe, if you've seen our shorts, you've seen some of these models already, because I'm currently painting all of them. And there will be videos for the different factions and the terrain upcoming. And I think your fiancé is working on a blind man with a sniper rifle.
Yes, indeed.
So painting videos coming up for these. But this is the terrain. This is a new one I haven't seen. Cool. Speaker Tower Monument. Like everything he does is very specific to Trench Crusade. I think you can't use this for many other games.
You always need more debris crosses and bunkers.
This one, this bunker, I love it.
So nice.
This is so big that I can fit all my paints and the models for the team I'm painting in it. So it also is a carry case.
You can also put it on the top of your Christmas tree.
Yes.
If you want
to. Candles.
Nice.
I hate printing tiny things because they get lost in the cleaning process. So I won't even try these, but you can.
It's a mouse rack.
Yes, World War I mouse rack. Caught mouse.
Specifically, yes. Not to be mixed up with any other type of mouse rack.
No modern mouse racks. No. So yeah, he has nukes, he has torture wheels, he has everything you need for your terrain, even some trench assets. The miniatures. My computer thinks this is very hard work and started sounding. These are the miniatures. He has YOLO Man, which is free. New Antioch. Iron Sultanate. And I should, I can't browse through these so fast, but yeah, you will see more in the video later.
Yes,
but
there we are.
All of these are multi-part as well, and you can have different kits and guns and heads.
You will see some with different heads because the heads got lost in printing.
Yes, in the cleaning process.
Mm.
They're too small.
Mm.
I don't like small bits. This is a trench cleric set where you can print a million different kinds of clerics.
I love the shields, the cathedral shields.
He is kneeling. He has dual wielding holy hand grenades.
Very nice.
And yeah, these are the different kinds of sniper. They are very cool.
Mm.
But I can't decide. I can't decide if I like the official ones more or not. Because these are so well done, I think. He even has made a little helvete på larvfötter, as you say in Swedish.
Mm. This one, a friend of mine watched the short you made with this one and said, "Oh, that's the one from that thing," and I was supposed to remember, so I can just tell you now.
I think it's from two things. One of them is Vampire Hunter D, and the other one is Berserk. I think it has been in several things.
It's
and it's very cool. I used a lot of different techniques painting this one. You will see it's like I'm spending too much time on a vehicle and doing details that doesn't matter. But yeah, like the heavy flamer on this one. Yeah, I just love these. This one, World War One, very World War One with a shotgun. And here we have a black grail demon. Very cute. I'm not sure if it is actually kind of cute compared to the official one.
Yeah, it's cuter than the official.
Blah. Yeah. And these are the trenchants that I was talking about that are more true to the artwork because they're tall.
Yes, important.
And a flamer. There's so much stuff. Hello. You got some grenades, heavy satchels, a cross-looking halberd, lance. Yeah, that's Mr. Jarrr, and he has been kind enough to give everyone a coupon for the show. If you'd like to buy these, you can use the coupon. Guess it. Can you guess what it is?
No.
Trench Talk.
Oh, that's nice.
And you'll get 10% off.
Cool.
And a model for free every day until Christmas. So go ahead. Black Sabbath or Black Cobra? What's your favorite?
Depends on this warband and terrain.
Okay. We will have a review later. So this is some kind of campaign going on. He needs money. He has 98 pioneers, 19 days left. What's going on here? All the models. The prophetic leader. The priest of punishment. Lots of cool heads.
Very cool.
I like when stuff have speakers and bells on it.
It should make a noise.
Yes. Legs. 22 weapons. That's a lot. Does he cover everything? Does he have a war cross? These are armored.
Yes.
Do you like the pose?
Not that armored though. It was. They have some cloth here and there.
As armored as they want.
Yeah.
Bomb cinders. This is another shrine.
Like this one better, I think.
But the official one is so good.
Yeah.
Like the standard on that model is too high.
Yeah, this some weird proportions.
Yeah.
Nice heads.
Yeah. Like the proportion of this unbuilt one feels better. Like
better.
if you can kit bash
some
it.
green stuff between.
If that's your word for kit bash, then yes. I would put some Heftmassa. The terrain set though.
I think it's fun that we see so many making crosses because you need crosses, and crosses is also something you see everyone making themselves because it's not really that hard to build your own cross.
Is my cross the bear?
Yeah.
Yep, that's it. What did it cost to buy all this? Buy now. I want to buy it all now. Early bird, $7. That's a lot of stuff for $7.
$10.
That's not the early bird.
No, it's the later bird, and the latest bird is 55. I don't know.
Yeah, and terrain. I don't know what.
It says merchant.
Yeah. If you want to print and sell the models.
Okay.
Red Pilgrim, cool name. Has made lots of different models for different games, and this time it's time for the trench time. The Trench Pilgrim. Also, these Necromunda ones sell lots. Also trenchy.
Good work.
But let's look at the Trench Pilgrims. I have lots to say about these, but I'll let you begin.
I don't have anything to say. Nice little house bag.
These are by far the most dynamic models so far for the game. Like you said that you don't like on our official model review like action poses, but I think these are dynamic without being action.
True.
Especially the one like sitting down without the shoes. The shoes. He doesn't have any shoes, and that's very lore accurate for Trench Pilgrim. And he looks kinda sleeten.
Worn.
He's worn. His face is very worn.
He's been through it.
And I like these a lot. I think the problem is that I don't know what to use them with, because no other model looks like this.
Sure.
So I hope that the Red Pilgrim will come out with more Trans Crusade models. For sure. Back on the deep purple website. This time, Sir Nicholas. He has made... Nicholas has made some cool stuff for Trans Crusade.
Forest of crosses, my favorite kind of forest.
Great Holy War. Very nice forest. We will look into the trenches. We will look into the infantry. These are also very clearly made for Trans Crusade. New Antioch. What's going on with this head?
It's hard to see.
Maybe it's a part of a church.
Yes.
You got some heretical warband and accessories as well, which aren't as common to see. These are, I haven't seen this one. Looks great. Goliath kit. Like the hat.
I didn't really like anything else. A good hat.
It's a good proxy when there aren't many proxies out, like, and it feels like it's made. You can play with it now, but yeah,
feels unfinished.
Maybe female agents. As a female, would you say that these are agents?
These. I would say that these would classify as agents. I have seen some agents in my day, and these fit.
This is a artillery witch, I think, but in a very different take.
Very cyber goth with the coronavirus.
Is it? Is it a coronavirus? Maybe.
You can't see that shape and not think back. That's nice. And I like the filigree on the mask for the.
What betyder filigree? The motifs.
The motifs, yes.
I like this hat a lot. Yeah, I like this style. It has character. We like you, Sir Nicholas.
Yes, you're doing great.
Keep on keeping on. Dragon Slayer Lord.
This
could also work.
Britannia.
Feels Trench Crusade.
Kyoushenko.
Miniatures. He has, I think it's a he, because I don't know any female figure sculptor. It might be though. We say hen. Hen has made. They, sorry. No. The Swedish
hen
word
is something else.
Yeah, hen is chicken.
We shouldn't call people chicken.
No.
That we don't know.
They have made many different models, and not all of them, not even half, I'd say, would work for Trench Crusade, but this one, the Australia World War II, I think would work.
Typical Trench Crusade stuff.
Yes.
You think about Australia and World War II.
Yes.
And you think about Trench Crusade.
Look at these guys. I just like them. Like this one. Heavy quad. Sniper. Okay, maybe not. I can see why you're so negative. But I like them. We don't know what's going on in Australia in Trench Crusade.
They might be on World War II already.
Okay, but like mainly this dude. Super cool.
Yeah. Sure.
Next, Knucklebone Miniatures, and he has made smått och gott. The what's the English for that? Milencious.
Yeah. Exactly.
For every kind of game, but they are all very dark and have their own kind of vibe, and they're quite small, so you kind of need to scale them up. Maybe
that was cool.
That one.
Yes, I like everything that has parts of church on it as clothing or as armor.
That's why you play Sisters of Battle.
Yes, exactly.
Parts of church. Look at this
if
mustache.
I can carry a part of a cathedral around, I would be happy.
I made once a team for Sludge with his miniatures. And I think they work very well for like Turnip 28 as well. Oof, Brewster.
It's because everything is painted exactly like every game that ends in 28.
Yes.
It should be drenched in Agrax Earthshade or any likeness.
Yes. Sepia. The sepia filter.
Yes.
Dogs, war dogs. Emil,
Man.
Gustav.
Why?
Här får du 5.
5 manhounds. So I don't have to choose my favorite, I get them all.
Ashways Nomad. Yeah, like I love to see a warband of these. And he has made a lot of stuff, so yeah, we can go on for longer, but we won't.
No, we've seen.
What's your rating?
28 out of Turnip.
Is the freaky ones, the Bestiarium Miniatures. And I've been in love with Bestiarium Miniatures ever since I got that 3D printer. I have been doing their models. I made a Age of Sigmar Beastman army with them. I made a Age of Sigmar jättarna. What were they called?
Giants.
No.
No.
Sons of
Behemoth.
Behemoth. Yes, they are not behemoths. Behemoths.
Yeah.
Yeah. Very many different models, especially for this game. And we can spend hours here because they made so many miniatures every month for 4 years, at least. And like the first one, for example, these. Look at the bow.
Look at the helmet. The beak helmet thing with the plume. And the flowy skirt. I love the skirt.
Flowy skirt.
The flowy skirt. I love a flowy skirt.
We need a skirt
skirt review.
And yeah, this like oof. Even more Maidens of the Church. This, what's going on here? The shield here.
Very nice.
What's going on with this? Yeah, just lovely. And
character.
I think you'll know what I mean comparing the first one, which was very, very clean, to this like that has a lot of character. Headhunter.
But with this you get the character like built in. With the first one you can do a lot with just painting and weathering and telling a story in other ways. This is cool.
Inquisitor.
What a lovely hat.
And a skirt.
Yes.
Oh, I want to paint this one.
Lots of belts also.
It has a cool sword on the back.
What was that with the mushroom hat? Hat review.
Mushroom review. Mush review. Dawn Sister. I made one of these actually.
The wings.
Like, I'm not a fan of wings. Why do models need wings?
It's cool.
What's going on? Like every one of these is like the top-notch Games Workshop model. How cool is this? Like if you can paint this paint it as a brazen bull for New Antioch. You know, he has a cannon and a sword. Perfect.
But how do they print with this much details?
They print fine. but how do they paint? That's more like sometimes then their scales can be a bit different if it's made for Dungeons and Dragons or if it's made for Warhammer but I usually just scale them up so they're big enough. Like I once had this little dude turn into a giant and looked fine. So as I said, we can spend hours here just looking at everything. Like if you find a team or models that you like, you can use imagination to find the perfect proxy for it. These are 10 out of 10 for me. Dog. Yeah, I highly recommend checking this out. Vector Miniatures. Very ghost. You like ghost?
Yes, I do.
And what?
You can paint that one as Papa.
Yes, the Mortis de Pure.
Nectarons. The Shine Beast. You like bells?
I like bells. The Witching Hour bells. The Vision Bell. These are nice. The Ribbiter. Sir Frog Bullyswag. Sir Todrick Ribbiter. Oh. Yeah, some nice ones in here. What? On stilts?
You can join the other stilt guy. You can have a stilt warband.
Root guard. Okay, we're off topic here. And I spontaneously found these guys from Velorian Miniatures.
What's going on?
I'm you know that Arctic Heretic sub-faction? Like I'm thinking of these more aquatic kind of heresy vibes. You can paint the helmet all kinds of cool ways, like if you want to freehand flames or maybe make them as a computer kind of deal. Yeah, I just like them a lot.
Cool.
Details on the cloth, like it's as you can see in the picture as well, it's very contrast thankful.
It's thankful for contrast.
Sometimes it's not that complicated. And you just get a free STL. An aviarist. How this is free, I don't know, because it's super beautiful. He made it, I think, as a homage to the dove keepers from World War One. And this doesn't have any rules in the game, but you can proxy it as something cool, I guess. Maybe it's a trench pilgrim because he has no shoes, were the word. And this is a video in itself.
It is.
Christmas video.
Yes. I am looking forward to painting this a lot. And I want to tell everyone about my great idea for it. But I don't want anyone to steal it because it's that good.
Okay.
So I just say that it's Christmas themed.
Okay, but if you don't tell anyone what it is and someone else does it before you, they will think that you stole it.
I will take my chances. I don't think anyone has a brain that works that way.
As yours?
Question. No, I don't think so.
Okay.
Maybe it's the hubris, but I think I will be.
Let's just say that when you're watching that video, you shouldn't be home alone.
We can say that much.
JK stands for Joaquin Revilla. It's a freelance sculptor. And these are his sculpts. Oh. Okay,
Yeah.
so that's all of them. Spontaneous thoughts?
I like them. I think I like this one the most. It's a dog helmet soldier.
The dog helmet soldier.
How can you not?
I think all of them are New Antioch. There's a shotgun. Some scars.
I like the tassels on the
boots.
The boots.
Yeah. Those are great. I like the Swamp Walker
Yeah.
one because it's freaky.
What's happening?
Whoops. Whoops. Yeah, you can make some very cool, like the eyes are also very cool. If you like make a scenic base with him with the like walking in the mud with those.
It's like that Admech character that everybody hated, but I thought was kind of cool on the stilts. I like it.
Soldier of the Swamp. Miniature of a fictional faction with a Napoleonic era aesthetic.
Of course.
This one maybe could be, I think it's New Antioch, but it could be for the Sultanate as well, with the feather and the sail and shield and yeah.
Trench cleaner.
Trench warrior, and I like this with a war cross. Cross maul.
Very cool.
Yeah, it's a war band. Like if you buy this, the squad 1 and 2, for $20, you will have all you need for great fun. For an intro, at least. Like. Yeah, these are clean and looks very easy to print. Because the details are quite deep and thick.
Lots of clean spaces for...
Not so many details.
Yeah. Look fun to paint.
So how many trenches do you give JK model? JK Remo?
Maybe dog helmet out of trench. That's my rating.
This one has a cloak.
Yes.
I love the helmet.
Yeah. It's a nice cloak, even though it's made out of cloth.
Everything is super personal to me. So this is a personal rating. A bit too clean for me. I like it when it's a bit more freaky, perhaps. So I'll give it a 3 out of 5.
It has kind of freaky pants.
Yes.